Finally, an instant smart home that you can set up by yourself in 1 minute or less. Just snap Switchmate over your existing light switches and plug Switchmate power into your existing outlets for an instant automated home. No tools, no wiring, no configuration. Stay cozy in bed and turn lights off through your voice. Put your home on a schedule with timers for enhanced security without replacing light switches, bulbs, or outlets. Have lights greet you when you come home late or enter rooms. Or turn lights on before you come home, so entering a dark home is a thing of the past. Just snap, tap, and start controlling lights, lamps, fans, appliances, and much more through your phone, and still control at the wall or plug, or through Google Home. Don't wait. Make everyday routines easier and bring your home to its fullest potential with instant smart home starter kits. Get your 1-minute smart home today. Switchmate. No tools, no wiring, no worries.